Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Hey Google feature on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your Google application on your Android phone. Then after you have your Google application opened, you can tap on your profile right here. Then there will be several options for you and you have to select the settings option. Okay, on the settings option, you have to click on the Google Assistant option, this one, and click on the Hey Google and Voice Match. Alright, and if you want to activate or set up your Hey Google feature, you just need to click on this toggle button, and right after you click on this toggle button, the Hey Google feature will be activated on your Android phone. And alright guys, that's how we can set up Hey Google feature on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.